Hi there my friends, it's Katia Milan from FitInMobility, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to maintain a healthy back if you're sitting long hours behind the desk, behind the computer. I have a perfect solution for you. We have a spectacular view and this is a perfect place for this video, so stay tuned. So the cases have shown that we are sitting more than 11 hours per day. So we are gonna divide these 24 hours into our day. If you're lucky, you get 8 hours of sleep, right? And then you have at least 8 hours of work. If you're unlucky, then you have probably more, but let's say you have 8 hours. So this is altogether 16 hours. What do we do in the remaining of 8 hours? Let's say you have to pick up your kid after your work. Then you are maybe driving a car. You're sitting again. Then you have doctor's appointment. You are sitting and waiting in a doctor's room. You meet a friend maybe after. You go to a bar or a pub for half an hour. You're sitting down again. Then you're hoping, okay, my wife or my guy will prepare some meal, and what you do when you come home, you sit by the table and you eat your lunch. And then you say, okay, this lunch needs to go somewhere, and where are you going? You're going to the bathroom, you're sitting down again. After you finish on your VC, probably you feel tired and you say, I'm gonna just relax, I wanna watch some Netflix, and again, you're sitting down. So I have a perfect solution for you. If you're sitting behind your desk, I have 4 exercises which you can do, and now we're gonna continue with the exercises. What I suggest, you set a timer on 1 hour time, and each hour you can do a minute or 2 break. And the first exercise is just a simple one. We're gonna stretch our spine. And what do you normally do if you are driving for a while and then you feel a little bit stiffness in your back? Normally you want to take a little break and you step out of the car, and this is the first thing you do. You want to stretch your back, you want to stretch your legs, and this is exactly what we're gonna do. Behind your desk, you can stand up, just put your hands on your buttocks and stretch yourself. And hold this position for 30 seconds, and you can repeat 3 times. And after 30 seconds, I like to combine this not only with the spine stretching, but also do a little bit stretching in front. So you balance this move a little bit, and again, back. And this is practically it for the first exercise. After you set a second timer for 1 hour, you do the second exercise also behind your desk. You're just gonna stand up, you're gonna spread your legs as much as you can, and you're gonna stretch your hips. You're gonna push your hips in front and hold it again for 20 to 30 seconds. And you're gonna repeat this 3 times. This is a very simple one, and your hips will be great for it. The third exercise, I have a perfect corner here. I'm gonna show you on this corner, but I suggest for you, if you have a table on the side and chair on the side, this will do as well, or 2 tables. But look, you're gonna spread your arms, not 90 degrees, but like 100 degrees or 110. And you're just gonna put it on 2 tables or a chair, and you're just gonna stretch your chest. Push your chest in front towards the ground. And again, hold this position for 30 seconds. Come out of it and repeat 3 times. This exercise, you can nicely stretch your chest area and your upper spine. The fourth exercise, you're gonna stretch your neck part. If you're watching your screen, your computer all the time, you need to release your neck muscles. So it's very simple. Just place your arm behind your back and stretch it out. Hold it 20 to 30 seconds. Your shoulder is nice and down, relaxed. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Come out and repeat 3 times and change the side. Remember guys, it's only 4 exercises, and these 4 exercises can help you to maintain the health of your spine while you are working. I salute you from miraculous view from El Mirador, El Balcón de Gran Canaria. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.